Hey everyone, today we're diving into the JVM6175SKSS over-the-range microwave. Let me tell you, this appliance is a real game changer in the kitchen. First off, let's talk about the design. It's sleek and modern with its stainless steel finish, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. With dimensions of 15.56 inches in depth, 29.88 inches in width, and 16.31 inches in height, it's spacious enough without taking up too much space. Now, let's get into the features. One of the standout features is the sensor cooking controls. These take the guesswork out of cooking by automatically adjusting time and power levels based on the food's moisture level. It's like having a sous chef right in your microwave. And if you ever need to pause the cooking process, the turntable can easily be switched on or off to accommodate larger dishes. Installation is a breeze with its over-the-range design, freeing up valuable counter space. Plus, with the 2-speed venting system, you can quickly remove smoke, steam, and odors from your kitchen while cooking. But what really sets this microwave apart is the added protection of the premium 2-year CPS Enhanced Protection Pack. It offers peace of mind knowing that your appliance is covered against unexpected breakdowns and repairs. Overall, I've been thoroughly impressed with the JVM6175SKSS over-the-range microwave. Its sleek design, advanced features, and added protection pack make it a must-have for any kitchen. Trust me, once you have this appliance in your home, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.